So here you have the course. The thing I haven't told you is that it is completely adapted to mobiles. So you can look at it on a tablet, you can look at it on a mobile phone, you can print off the PDFs and take them with you, you can download the audios and listen to them on your phone. So it's a course that will travel with you, and we're really proud of that. So I know what you're probably thinking, yeah, but this is all very nice, Caroline, but what if I try the course and I'm not happy? Well, it's really important to me when I do a course that there is a refund policy at 0 risk. And if within 30 days you try the course, you test out the materials and it's not what you want, just email us, 0 risk refund policy within 30 days. We think you're going to like it. So what does it look like when you get to the sales page? Well, you can see here is the sales page in all its glory. All you have to do is click on this link, enter your name, and you can see that you can pay in full or you can pay in installments. Obviously, if you pay in full, it's slightly cheaper. That's totally up to you. And you can see here what happens when you log in. The really lovely thing about this course is that as soon as you join, as soon as you become a founder member, the chosen few, you instantly get access to everything. You can do your confident speaker score, you can start the course, you could be done by tomorrow night. And that's lovely to be able to say. And remember that you get all of these great sections, confident speaker score, those great 4 modules, loads of bonuses at a massive reduction on the rate that it would cost you to work with me one-to-one or in a training. It's so lovely to be able to offer it at a rate that most people can afford. So I'm just going to encourage you to sign up today, because I know how much of a difference this has made in my life. And when you sign up, you will find this simple, practical system that's going to unlock your confidence as a speaker and help you step up in ways you can't even imagine right now. Get those jobs, win those pitches, overcome that horrible anxiety.